Hey, I'm Nordic, out in the forest, making a lovely cup of coffee. Now I'll just let the coffee get ready, and then I want to talk to you about photography, what I think is important, and how I think that you might improve your photography. What is a good photo? Depends on the person who sees it, right? For me, it's all about emotions. It's about feelings. It's about trying to get that mood in a single photograph so that the people who see it can kind of relate or feel that they're actually there in the moment. If I was to give you one tip, try and implement feelings, and that starts when you arrive at the scene. Try and decide what is it that you feel. If you can put that into a photograph, I think you're a long way. Now there's simple tips, like kind of beginner tips, that will really improve your photography really quickly. I see a lot of photos, and I'm guilty of this myself. Try to make the horizon straight every time, and you have the power to do it. Doesn't require any editing apps or anything. You can do it right on your phone. Tap edit, straighten it up, done.